My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Volkswagen Camper. This vehicle has done just over 60,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker, sink and fridge just below. To the left, we can see we have our foldable table, and from our pictures we can see this provides us with a dining area. Moving on to our first of two double beds, this transforms into two belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our screen we can access radio, media and scan. On the right we have phone, Apple and Android CarPlay and setup. Just below the screen we can see that we have our parking sensors, and if we pan the camera around we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.